Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have a little bit different setup. This is my bed. This is my back wall here. Today on this channel, I'm going to show you how to make a headboard inexpensively. So this is peel and stick wallpaper, aka renter friendly wallpaper, and I am going to put a headboard on this wall right here. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a card to squeegee it out, scissors, and obviously a wall. So, unfortunately, I do not have money to buy a headboard, so I was looking for inexpensive options to use. So, this is my wall right here, and as you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. As you can see right here, it's a blank wall. So if I open this up, this is actually taped to this, so please be very careful. I'm going to pull it out and pull that off. It looks like tile. So here's what you want to do. Obviously roll it out. So what you want to do is you want to roll it out like this, but what you want to do is you want to keep it as close to your bed as possible, because that's what a headboard is, and then roll it out just like this, right there. So what I'm going to do, here's how I'm going to cut it. If you see this line right here where my finger's at, that is a grout line. That is, so I'm going to cut it right there. And this is basically one giant sticker. So you're going to so there we go. So now what I do is find out where the edge is, like this, and pull back. Now, if you've ever done vinyl wrapping, I'm going to do it sort of like that. So basically, you kind of do it like this. So now what I do is I'm going to do it this way. Hopefully this stuff will cooperate and get it towards the edge of my bed here. Make sure that it's level, which it is. I want to slide it in a little bit. There we go. And right there. Make sure it's straight. Then you want to do it just like this. So there we go. As you can see, it is on the wall. So now what I do is I take this and pull it all the way down. So, and as I go, you take your card. This is an old Carl's Jr. gift card. And you go like this. So now I continue to pull. Holding the material very tightly. Now, it might not be perfect, but this is the first time I'm using anything like this. Then you just go down. Pull it again. Pull everything out. Be very careful because it will fold over on itself if you're not, which is just what happened. There we go. This is my new headboard. And there we go. Now I'm taking this and I'm going like this. And there you have it, a headboard. So, let me grab the camera here. You can see this is my bed. This is what it looks like on my bed. As you can see, it looks good. All I have to do is make my bed. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.